Hello, this is Yogeshkumar. I want to give you some information about world history. If interested, then listen. World War II was also called Global War. It took place between 1939 to 1945. The Belgrades were from Allied sides UK, France, USA, USSR, China, and from Axis side Nazi Germany, Italy, Japan. Causes were mainly militarism, nationalism, imperialism, irregular boundary created after World War One. Hitler became dictator in Germany from Nazi party. Stars of David were also among them. Lord Mountbatten gave independence to India. He was the Southeastern Naval Commander during that time. Soon after, UNO was established, United Nations Organization, to stop World War III. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.